Hello everybody, and I hope you all are doing really well, and I would really like to take this moment to thank you all for being my subscribers until now. I know it's been an awfully long time that I put up a video, but you have still been truthful and you've still been subscribed to my channel. I thank you all for that, and God bless you all. So let's jump straight into the topic and let's not waste any time. So today we're going to look at a website called Tuloka. So this is a website that helps you to make money. Right, so Tuloka, go to Google and type in Tuloka, and then you would come to a page that says get paid to do short tasks online. Now, I gotta warn you, you can't really make a lot of money from this, but there is a lot of earning potential in the sense that it could accumulate over time. So as usual, I did some research and I went to Google and just typed in the Tuloka earning per day, and if you look at this, it says that you could get around $1 to $3 depending on the task and the experience. Now if you scroll down, you could see that a couple of people have said that you could get $20 per day, which is quite unlikely. Now I must warn you that it's a bit hard to get $20 per day, right? Because I've tried it and I've seen the tasks of what they have. So $1 to $3, so that's what it says. Now go to Tuloka and you just type in Tuloka make money, and you click on the link and it will take you to this page where it says get paid to do short tasks online. Now what you need to do is click on this called start earning money, and it's going to take you to another page. Now if you scroll down here, you could see this is where all the tasks are. Now you need to punch in your phone number and you're going to receive a code and type that back to the website. And these are the kind of tasks that are given, right? So there are tasks with training, without non-automatic acceptance, and these are all the categories right here. Now I do suggest that you take the English comprehension test, because once you take the test you get more paid tasks. So this is important, and this is going to help you get more money. Right, now if you look at this task, you could see that this is a project that gives you 10 cents. Right, and there's another project that gives you 2 cents. Now it goes on to that, you get 5, and then you keep getting tasks with 2 cents and stuff. So these tasks are pretty simple. So if you look at this one, it's about attribute value validation. So basically if you go to the Tuloka website, you'll get an idea. So those who sign up to make money with Tuloka are called Tulokas. Right, a pretty strange name, but right. So you go back, and then you could see how this works. So when you click on, this is an AI powering website with human insight. Right. So basically, what we do is, as much as AI is taking over, it still needs human help to contribute and help the artificial intelligence. Right, so that's what this website is all about. So AI solutions with human input. So we need to help determine, right? So there are small tasks where you need to probably frame pictures, do a comparison of two images, about two AI images, and as you could see, all these tasks here. So looking at this, these tasks, and once you have taken the comprehension test, you're going to get some more tasks to do. So 10 cents per task, 2 cents per task, which makes it 12 plus 5, it's 17. So you go on like that, is 19. And right here on this page I could get around 21 cents. Right, but if you take the test, you're going to get more. So 21 cents might not look like a huge sum of money. It's pretty small, but this is real earning potential. Right, so now on average, I would say that you could get around $2 depending on the task and your experience. So if you get $2, it's going to be, let's do a small calculation here, 2 into 30, you would get $60 per month. And now if you do that into 12, you're going to get $720. So $720, that's money when you calculate it throughout the year. So this is just one side hustle that helps you to make money, and there are many more to come. Right, so go check this website out. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. It's called Tuloka, and happy earning. And thank you all once again for being my subscribers. And I would see you all again in the next video.